Good. Love to always say, if I date, you shouldn't be going beyond the one is needless actually. Because what do you want to determine with it? The trend, which you can as well see, you know, in the daily chart. So it's obvious this has been more of a continuous bullish trend. But one thing I want you to notice is this: look at what we have here. You know, this is a daily candlestick, but they each candle keep closing above the other. Each candle keep closing above the other one until we got it. So this particular candle that closed on Friday closed below the last candle, and then apart from that, we have the liquidity grab here. So this particular candle took liquidity above the all-time high. So let's go to 4 hours to see this clearly. You can see what I'm talking about. This candle took liquidity, then came down. So what are we likely to see next? So now this can mean few things, but then this setup will most likely now give us um, a change of character here. So I'm saying that market is like going to come down, give us a change of character here, and then after that has been confirmed, you know exactly what to do. Let me zoom out to see if there's any institutional reference around here. There's a fair value gap here. There's a fair value gap here. There's another fair value gap here. But first, before we start looking at that, let's even pull up our feed to see what we have. Okay, so our V value gap is a little just below the discount, so it might count. But then we also have another one below the 1.8 level. So where do you think, which one do you think we attract price more? Don't forget we also have a breaker block somewhere here. So there's a bit of confluence around here, and then even here we have something like that. We have this. So it's also to see something like this to, and then what do we see next? Market reaches back into that, and then we can now likely, see a sell, throughout this new week. Gold might likely sell throughout this week, except there's a strong fundamental with the US pair with the US dollars. Unless there's a huge fundamentals, and if you check forex factory, there's nothing coming yet. But then that it is not enough to say nothing will come, because if we were to be few months ago, this time last year, I'll say there's nothing coming and there's really nothing coming. But with President Trump, anything can come anytime. So what we have here is, let's check for, this is for Monday. There's no strong USD pair. I mean USD news coming. The only USD news here is not even a high impact news, and it's even tentative, so it's not even sure yet. So February 11, February 11, we don't have any USD. Okay, we have FOMC. We have FOMC member. So, Wednesday we have three high impact news by 2:30. We have core CPI, we have CPI. So these are high impact. We have about three at 2:30. We have another one at 4 p.m. Fed chair will testify. So we have all of that. So there's high impact news coming. Only that may change or impact this setup. This is what I see. This is as I see the market going into this new week for gold. So that's gold. Let's go to another pair. So let's go into another pair. So for BTC, let's quickly check, duplicate. BTC USD, BTC USD. Okay, so BTC USD. Let's go to the daily time frame. Can you see what I'm seeing? This price action is not clear. Market is currently on indecision. You can see, the last 4 days. Can you even imagine? The last 4 days have been totally unclear. So at best, this is a ranging market, and you don't want to be trading a ranging market. So would wait until market is able to give us a clear direction. You always want to trade only a trending market, not a consolidating market or any other thing. Like getting stuck with something that is not giving you exact direction. So, and that we are going. Personally, I'm going to stay away from trading BTC for the next few days until we have a clear direction of the market. So that for BTC. So let's get into Euro JPY, my current favorite pair. So this is the daily time frame. Let me try and clear as many of these thing off. Okay, this is the daily time frame. So I believe market is still coming to this zone here, and then as market has taken care of this particular one, we might need to get to this place. But obviously, we are in what, a very good trending market, and clearly bearish, without even the blind. Can see this is huge, a very clear bearish market. Okay, so this is it. This is clearly bearish. So let's go to 4 hours. So where is your trade range? Your trade range is between here and here. That's, I mean, what the market is currently, where the market is currently. And I will say that we are clearly in a bearish market. So what do you want to wait for? Let's go to uh, 1 hour to see if there's any clear indication or clear setup. Let's pull up our fib and measure this out. Okay, I think I marked this on Friday. OP market is going to come inside of it so that we can, have some trade. But then market came into it and I did not see it, and then I didn't want to keep pursuing price. So by B going to come back into this place, then give us a change of character falling. So it is like, but because it's also a new week, you might want to go all the way to, this is we should be looking for an institutional level above the 50%. Yes, so I'll push this here, and then you can see there's also a fair value gap there. So why not? Let's see what happen. Let's see what happen. But once you have a clear change of character above the 50%, we are good to go. It's a solid trade. We trigger it. There's another pair I want to also introduce. Um, but let me keep that next week. But currently, the JPY pairs they are trending, and that means it's really an easy win for you if you know what you are doing. So if you want to take quick money this week, try and it's just that's just my 1 cent. So thank you so much for joining tonight. If you have any question or anything you want me to check, any pair you want me to analyze, please drop it in the chat box. If there's none, let's have a profitable week ahead. And then for this one that I've spoken about, I'll drop the setup on the group so that we can follow up and see how it plays out. Thank you so much for coming tonight. So sorry for the challenge with audio earlier. Thank you so much and do have a profitable week.